Hey everybody, Hardtekticon is back with my first Big Bad Toy Store unboxing in several months, so I am extra excited, so let's get into it! Alright, so out of ease of use, I decided to go ahead and cut this side and keep my ugly noggin out of the picture and out of the way while I try and cut left-handed. Okay, then one slice across the top. Oop, oop, careful now. Let's get in there. This is where Big Bad Toy Store tape is some mutated version of duct tape. It is pretty strong when it wants to be. Come on now. Alright, and of course I need to hunt down my receipt. There it is. Just gonna crumple it up. Sorry guys, I can't share that with you. I'll share everything else, but not that. So, let's see what we got in here. We got some fun stuff, some third-party stuff mainly. And of course one of those cards. Looks like I did cut it a little bit. And of course the wonderful, wonderful Big Bad Toy Store bubble wrap. And first thing I see is Megatron, G2 Megatron, the purple version of G2 Megatron. And he comes with a glare, a Megatron head, a G2 purple Megatron head. And he's a tank, and that glare is bad. I'm sorry, people. Sorry, fellas. And he's got that red dragon, so that should be fun to play with. There we go. That horrible glare. Alright. And we also got, who we got here? We got Apollo, Planet X Apollo, which is their take on Fall of Cybertron Ultra Magnus. Too excited. Gotta open this now, take a quick look, because I love Planet X. And apparently they're going to be straying from the Fall of Cybertron theme, and I believe they're going to be making what looked to be a oh geez, now I forgot his name. Let's see here. I'll think about it while I pull out this wonderful piece of bottage to show y'all. And there's the instructions and the card. I actually like the card. Ooh, convention style. And here we are. Oh, he's got a little blanket. And he's not fully transformed. Okay, well, let's take him out. Oh, crap. Pieces are coming off. So you know what? This will be for a review, guys. For another day. Give him this blanket back. Oh, a little blanket. Little foam blanket. Foam blanket. His coffin lid, and we'll just throw him back in the box for now, even though I'm going to be getting into him soon. You're all going to be getting done with the video being like, well, what else has YouTube got? A lot of cool stuff depending on your opinion. Next up, aha, another Planet X thing. And yeah, I'm going to pop this thing open and take a look at it too. Charon, Planet X Charon, which is their take on Nemesis Prime. So, let's take a look at this real quick. Deathsaurus, oh my god, finally. Deathsaurus. Planet X is going to be doing a Deathsaurus, and just going by the shadow picture they did, it looks pretty cool. And I mean, really, what did Planet X make so far that doesn't look really awesome? Nothing. They haven't made anything that doesn't look awesome. Even their logo, which they made, looks awesome. I mean, not super awesome, I guess, but still, why is this so hard to get open? But yeah, so I now have, actually, I kind of already did, but I now have a Fall of Cybertron, Nemesis Prime / Scourge. I technically already had one because that was actually my very first video, my very first custom I ever did. Ooh. From this angle, it kind of looks dead. And it still looks like a coffin. But that was my very, very first custom, was this version of Optimus Prime, this mold, not this mold, but the Hasbro tiny one. I repainted him into a Nemesis Prime with red windows and all that. But this Nemesis Prime is looking pretty evil, but something's wrong with his head. It doesn't want to look up very much. That kind of sucks. Might have to file it down or something. Yeah, because it works the other way. But yeah, very nice looking. Not as dark as I kind of hoped for. Like it is, like it says Charon, and that makes me kind of think of charcoal. And it's a very dark charcoal color. And the green is not as vibrant as I thought it was going to be. Not really, well, I guess I am complaining, but either way, very cool looking. And he's got some really cool weaponry in here. Very red. So, we're going to put him aside too. I'm not even going to put him back in the box. He's coming back out. Throw it to the side. Alright. And from here, the rest. Oh yeah, I forgot. I got more of these guys. So, more live unopenings. I enjoy placing these around the dead space when I'm doing my electronic music jam videos, which is my other channel, Hardtech Studios. They just kind of fit the vibe. Hoping I don't get a color that I already have, which is orange, white, gold, and sky blue. Let's see what we got. We got a transparent purple one that's all glittery. Oh, I am so happy. That is cool looking. And it's very transparent. Alright, so Hardtekticon's happy. Let's see if they can give me another happy. Apparently it's that one. I would like that green one right there. That's my favorite color. Let's see here. And for the final one I'll probably ever buy, at least in this series, a black glittery one. Okay, so alright. Very cool. And see, one of my problems with what I had so far is they were all light colors, except for the gold one, which is more metallic, but still, that'll really break things up. So, to end me getting these guys, at least for a while, I think, you know, kind of like the addict saying I'm not going to do it anymore, these should be my last ones, unless they make another series, which I'm hoping they do with, you know, like the little arms up and their legs out, you know, the opposite. That would be very cool. Alright, and finally, and I'm not going to open up these live because this video is going too long, we have, let's see, Iron Chariot or whatever this is, War Giant Commander, which is their Bruticus, Iron Factory's Bruticus, I'm sorry, Iron Factory War Giant Commander, and then we got Iron Factory's War Giant Attackers, which is Swindle and Brawl. These are pretty heavy boxes. And finally, War Giant Attackers Blasters, which is Blast Off and Vortex. And apparently there's a little shockwave in there, and apparently there's a little RC in here, and I don't care, I'm going to open it and check it out. Just this one though. The last one, I swear. Last one. Okay, so this is what we get in the first tray. Here's some instructions, but I'm feeling two trays underneath this one. And we have a Combiner Hunters RC here. Awesome. Look at that sword. That is cool. Alright, so I believe that is it for this unboxing. Probably going to be the last unboxing for a while, guys. I'm still trying to save up some money for better and bigger things. But until next time, until my next review, we're just showing off part of my collection, which I plan on doing one of those too pretty soon. I will see y'all next time.